A major chord. Okay, you've chosen a form. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to use fingers 2, 3, and 4. But you may play it this way if you choose. Okay. So you know what to do. Here we go. 1, 2, make it, shake it, go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, shake it. Okay, now get it back on there in time for beat 1. Okay, here we go now. 2. Strumming 5 strings from the 5th string all the way through that top E string. 2, 3, 4. I use these 3 fingers because it's easier for me to get all the strings to ring out. 2, 3, 4. But the one I use most often is this one, the bar. And that E doesn't come out for me. 3, 4. But that works for me, because it allows me to do other things like. So I like the bar, but for the next one, I'll go back here.